Are you facing an issue where Wi-Fi is not working on your Pokemon Go game? Don't worry, in today's video, we will show you how you can solve this Wi-Fi problem by using your iPhone. This is very quick and easy. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Forget your Wi-Fi and reconnect it. Open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi, and now tap on the eye icon. Tap on Forget this network. After that, check your issue. Solution 2. Change your DNS settings. Open Settings, tap on Wi-Fi. After that, tap on the eye icon. Scroll down, tap on Configure DNS. Then remove the DNS server by tapping the minus icon, and tap on Delete. Now tap on Add Server and type 8888. After that, again tap on Add Server and type 8844, and tap on Save at the top right corner. After that, close the page history and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 3. Try to restart your device. This will often fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. And try our last solution. Solution 4. Offload the Pokemon Go game. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Pokemon Go game, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app, and check, and hopefully your problem will be solved. So this is how you can solve the Wi-Fi issue in Pokemon Go game. But if you still have any issues, then please ask me in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.